So today I will present you our new Readystream system with the media preparation unit and the media dispensing unit. The media preparation unit is connected to the lab deionized water loop, or can also be connected to a container of water or to a milli-Q water tank. It is also connected to the mains in the lab for all the electrical supply. We have also a barcode reader to scan the data matrix on the filter set and on the media bag. The main feature of the Readystream system is to dispense buffer peptone water by combining a concentrated media broth with sterile filtered water to fill in your food sample bag. So now I will show you how to do dispensing starting from this concentrated media bag. You can see here that everything has been configured and I can select the volume, the temperature, the speed, and the concentration of the media I need. So here the system is set for 225 milliliters. And by pressing on the media button, we will sterile filter the water and combine it automatically with concentrated media to have at the end the volume of media you need at the right temperature and at the right concentration, just by pressing a button. You see that in less than 10 seconds, I have filled my sample bag with buffer peptone water, and I can go to my peristaltic blender. The key innovation here is that we have this concentrated media. And with our 10-fold concentrated 3-liter bag, we can do up to 30 liters of media. And with our 10-liter bag, we can do up to 100 liters of media. And I will now show you how to set up the instrument to have everything ready in less than 20 minutes. First thing to do is to disconnect this media bag from the system. And this you can do because you can prepare several bags in advance. So I will show you how to disconnect the bag. First, you close the dispensing tubing, and then you disconnect and recap the filter set. Turn off the instrument, open the pump head, and you can remove your media bag. You see, it's a small size and still easy to carry. Now here I have the two consumables. The Readystream filter set that is used to sterile filter the water. It's a 0.2 micron filter for millipore. And here is the media bag, 3-liter media bag with mercury granulated media. First, turn on the instrument and connect the filter set. You have a click sound. Then you have to position the media bag on the instrument. First thing to do is to connect the dispensing tubing to the outlet. So, here. Here. And then to connect to the filter set. Remove the orange cap that you can store in a safe place, and connect the filter set. Then insert the 3-way valve in the actuator, open the pump head, and place the tubing. I can remove that because I don't need for the moment. And you have a container to collect the excess water. So now the consumables are in place, and the system is asking to scan the filter. We have specific data matrix to tell the instrument which filter it is, the serial number for traceability in the internal database, and the same for the media bag. So just when the system is asking to scan the media bag, you scan the data matrix code. And the media bag is recognized, the type of media, the volume, and the shelf life. Next step is to prime the filter to remove all the air from the tubing line and from the filter set. So here, I take a little bit of wipe and I press on the prime button while opening the vent. You see that the excess water is collected in this container. You see now that the system is primed and I can skip the priming. Now the system is asking to fill the media bag. So yes, I want to fill it, and you see that the orange LED is blinking to ask for an action. So I press on the fill button and I confirm. And now the system is taking the deionized water from the lab, going through the pumps, through the heating elements, through the 0.2 micron filter to have the sterile water, and that's filling the bag. During the filling step, you can already start a slight massaging by homogenizing with some waves like that. You are speeding up the dissolution of the media, because remember, we have here concentrated media. So it's our granucult media, ISO compliant. And in that 3-liter bag, we have the quantity of media to make 30 liters of media. And with our larger 10-liter bag, we have the quantity of media to make 100 liters of media, because it's tenfold concentrated. So here I'm just pressing all over the surface during the filling. And the filling is done with preheated water at 37 Celsius degree. This also helps to facilitate the rehydration of the granules. Now that the filling is completed, you see that there is a 15 minutes dissolution time. During that time, you still have to massage, to agitate during 2 minutes. So here, remember, we have a concentrated media that is made of irradiated granules with sterile filtered water. The shelf life of the media bag is 5 days after reconstitution, so you can leave it on your system up to 5 days. Also here, the key innovation is that it's a concentrated media, and that we are rediluting this media with sterile filtered, preheated water. And you can get buffer-platon water at the volume, at the concentration, at the flow rate you need, and at the temperature you need. So here, you see there are 14 minutes remaining, so I'm still massaging a bit. And then you will leave the system for 13 minutes. On the right, we have a switch for LED panel, so you can see that it's still turbid, but after the 13 minutes rest time, you will see that the media will be completely clear, and you will have a fully reconstituted, tenfold concentrated media bag stock ready to use for dispensing up to 30 liters of media with a 3-liter bag, or up to 100 liters of media from a 10-liter bag. So we will show you an accelerated video of the dissolution to show you how it will look like in 13 minutes. So after 13 minutes, the 3-liter pack is fully reconstituted, and you can see here 3 liters of concentrated buffer-platon water to make up to 30 liters of media. And here the 10-liter bag with 10 liters of tenfold concentrated media to make up to 100 liters of media. You see, it's still easy to carry, and the dry media bags have a small size and are really easy to store. Thank you.